Good morning. My name is Henry Mauricio Rodriguez. First question. How has technology changed human life in your community? The members of my community have changed their way of life since by accessing an internet connection, benefits have been generated in fields such as health, banking, purchases, and procedures in general aspects with which we live day by day and that help us to make everything easier. Thanks to technology, we save a lot of time traveling, and this contributes to our quality of life. In short, be clear faith that technological development in the coming years will continue to advance enormously. Second question. What positive and negative aspect has your community have in the use of technology? Positive aspects in my community are reflected in fair trips to carry out procedures, ease of communication, ease of job search, more agile fronts of payment, and virtual education. And negative aspects are also reflected, such as social isolation problems in digital devices generation of unemployment since artificial intelligence displaces the workforce, and what stands out the most in the negative is the dependency generated by computers, smartphones, and tablets, which is something that needs to be worked on. Technology must continue to be useful and necessary in all times. Thank you. Bye.